getting dirty money, Jordan Bell third. Checking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third.
Now that's a truck that I would drive. A little lower to the ground. We don't have to use them stupid step stools to get up in that thing. It probably drives pretty smooth, actually.
Wow, look at this center. Who puts a negative 6-inch lift on a Chevy? What a waste of a damn truck. Watch out, pal. You put a bicycle in the bed, you gonna start scraping. I think he's looking at me. Hey, you forgot something!
Don't you just love it when your boyfriend's supposed to be taking you out for food, but then has to stop at the side of the road because the sunset's pretty to take pictures of his fucking truck?
I fucking sent her a little... Shit.
Come on, Mike.
What in cousin fucking tarnation, Alabama Betty Crocker, Miss fucking Betty White shit is this?
Stand tsukai.
Huh?
Stand tsukai.
Ah, いかんぞしかい。Dude's boat's disconnected. There he goes. Boat's driving itself. Stop! Stop! Oh, that sucks so bad. I was trying to catch up to him to tell him to.
We do things a little different round here. Raiders 18 wearing our...
Oops, my heart went...
Fuck! You ain't going nowhere, though. You ain't going nowhere. Call the cops on your phone. Call the cops on your phone. Call the cops on your phone, bro. I'm on the phone with the cops. Bro, get your phone. ASAP, I need a picture. Aggravated assault. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! ¡Bájate, bro! ¡Bájate, bro! ¡Bájate, loco!